Choosing the right accounting software can feel like navigating a maze. With so many options available, each promising to simplify your financial life, it's natural to wonder how a particular solution stacks up. Today, we're taking a closer look at Kashoo, a cloud-based accounting software designed primarily for small businesses. As an expert in accounting management software, I'll break down its features, strengths, and potential drawbacks in plain, easy-to-understand language, helping you determine if it meets the standards you need for your business or educational purposes. What exactly is Kashoo? At its core, Kashoo is an online accounting platform that allows small business owners to manage their finances without needing extensive accounting knowledge. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, aiming to take the complexity out of tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting. Think of it as a digital ledger and assistant combined, helping you keep tabs on your income and outgoings. Core features. What does Kashoo offer? To understand Kashoo's standard, we need to examine its key features. These are the building blocks that determine its functionality and how well it can serve your accounting needs. Invoicing. Kashoo allows you to create and send professional-looking invoices to your customers. You can customize these invoices with your company logo and branding. It also helps you track the status of your invoices, reminding you about overdue payments. For educational purposes, this feature clearly demonstrates the process of creating and managing sales transactions, a fundamental aspect of accounting. Expense tracking. Keeping track of your business expenses is crucial for understanding your profitability and for tax purposes. Kashoo enables you to record your expenses, categorize them appropriately, and even attach receipts for easy record keeping. This feature illustrates the importance of documenting financial outflows and how software can streamline this process. A key concept in accounting principles. Bank reconciliation. Connecting your bank accounts and credit cards to Kashoo allows for automatic transaction imports. This simplifies the process of bank reconciliation, where you match your bank statements with your accounting records to ensure accuracy. This is a vital control in accounting, and Kashoo's feature makes it more accessible to those without deep accounting knowledge. Reporting. Kashoo offers several standard financial reports, such as income statements, profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports provide a snapshot of your business's financial health. While the reporting might be more basic compared to more advanced software, it covers the essential reports needed for most small businesses and for understanding fundamental financial reporting in an educational context. 1. Bijz.com. Bijz.com. 2. www.ledgermanagement.net. www.ledgermanagement.net. Customer and vendor management. You can manage your customer and vendor information within Kashoo, making it easier to track sales and purchases. This feature highlights the importance of maintaining organized records of business relationships in accounting. Simplicity and ease of use, a key strength. One of Kashoo's standout features is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive, even for those who are not accounting experts. The navigation is straightforward, and the language used is generally free of complex accounting jargon. This simplicity makes it a potentially good tool for individuals learning about basic accounting principles, or for small business owners who want to manage their finances without getting bogged down in complicated software. Limitations to consider. While Kashoo offers a solid set of features for basic small business accounting, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Limited advanced features. Compared to more robust accounting software, Kashoo may lack advanced features such as inventory management, payroll integration. It often relies on third-party integrations, project accounting, or sophisticated budgeting tools. For businesses with more complex needs, these limitations might be significant. Reporting depth. While it provides essential financial reports, the customization and depth of these reports might not be sufficient for businesses requiring detailed financial analysis. For educational purposes, while it covers the basics, it might not delve into the intricacies of advanced reporting techniques. Scalability. As your business grows and its accounting needs become more complex, Kashoo might not scale effectively to meet those demands. You might eventually need to transition to a more comprehensive software solution. Kashoo's standard in the market. So how standard is Kashoo? It occupies a specific niche in the accounting software market, primarily catering to very small businesses, freelancers, and sole proprietors who prioritize simplicity and ease of use over advanced functionality. It stands out for its user-friendly design and focus on core accounting tasks. However, when compared to more comprehensive accounting software used by larger small businesses or those with more complex operations, Kashoo might fall short in terms of features and customization options. Think of it as a reliable and easy-to-use car for basic transportation. It gets you where you need to go, but it might not have all the bells and whistles of a luxury vehicle. Suitability for educational standards. For educational purposes, Kashoo can be a valuable tool for illustrating fundamental accounting concepts. Its simplicity allows learners to focus on the core principles of invoicing, expense tracking, and basic financial reporting without being overwhelmed by complex software features. Educators can use it to demonstrate the practical application of these concepts in a real-world scenario. However, it's important to supplement this with an understanding of more advanced accounting software and features that students might encounter in larger organizations. Conclusion: is Kashoo right for you? Ultimately, the standard of Kashoo depends on your specific needs. If you are a very small business owner, freelancer, or sole proprietor looking for a simple and affordable way to manage your basic accounting tasks without needing extensive accounting knowledge, Kashoo could be a good fit. Its ease of use is a significant advantage. If you require advanced accounting features, detailed reporting, or the ability to scale as your business grows significantly, you might need to consider more robust accounting software options. For educational purposes, Kashoo provides a user-friendly platform to teach basic accounting principles practically. However, educators should ensure students are also aware of the capabilities of more advanced systems.